Sentiment 4, Mama Ellie Lucy!
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, thank God for making this special night possible. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for joining us tonight. To our media partners, directors, producers, investors, sponsors, artists of course, content creators, my staff, my employees, my business partner, Richard Orozco, and Rod Serrada, my friends, and of course to my family that are always there to understand me and support me. My husband, Luz Kenshin, thank you very much. My son, Alan Sanchez. My sister, Esmeralda Dam de la Plata. And my apo, so wala si Princess, wala din si Gabi. Thank you very much. Welcome and thank you tonight. Seeing all of you tonight marks the beginning of Star Cinemax. If I remember it right, when we decided na itayo po ang Star Cinemax, simple lang po ang vision namin. It was 2 years ago, November 2024. Star Cinemax is a platform where great stories can be told, where talented artists can shine, and where audiences can enjoy both meaningful entertainment anywhere, anytime. And tonight, the vision officially comes to life. Alam po nating lahat na maraming streaming platform now, but makes Star Cinemax different is our fearless storytelling and to challenge people's perspective through the power of cinema. Star Cinemax exciting part is giving opportunities to producers, directors, artists, writers to show their hidden talents globally. And actually, as of now, Star Cinemax just started in Japan and is open in streaming that started last week. Of course, none of this would be possible without the incredible people who believe in our vision. Again, to our partners, investors, production teams, directors, producers, artists, and everyone working behind the scenes. Ang mga naaarawan, nakukulatan ng mga behind the scenes, napaka-importante ng community, ang sa supervising officers, maraming salamat po. Thank you for your trust and support for helping us turn this dream into reality. And to our guests and future subscribers, future investors, at least we showed you that this is a legit corporation. We promise to continuously bring your fresh content and exciting and fearless stories. That means no limits. Kung kaya po namin, gagawin po namin. We will show you a fearless sample. The launch is only the beginning. We are committed to create, grow, innovate a platform that our artists and subscribers can truly be proud of. On behalf of the Star Cinemax family, thank you for being here. Welcome to Star Cinemax. Welcome to Fearless Cinema. And welcome to a world of stories without limits. Maraming salamat po. And enjoy the rest of the evening. Ako si Mama Ellie. Maraming salamat.
Alright, one more time. Another one round of applause for our CEO, Mama Ellie Lucy. Thank you very much.